So welcome back, and as we are continuing to work on our design here, we left off with changing the logo. So what we're going to do is go ahead and roll over your block here where it says edit block, and we're going to replace that image or that logo. So click replace, and I already have mine uploaded, and so I'll go ahead and click that and insert it, and there we have it. So we have our logo. Now let's go over a couple of these little boxes here. Now the first thing that I want to show you is image display, and it has 10% to 100, and what I can do is change the size of that logo so you can pick your various sizes. Okay, now the next phase is style. Now you can add a border on around the logo. You can do a solid border and various other dashed. It all depends on what you want to do. And so we'll go over here, and normally on yours it may have 1 px or 1 pixel. Now I was already messing around with it, so I put 10, and you can see the thickness of it is quite thick. And I also picked a color. Now you can change the color if you want to put a border on it, and you can make it green or whatever color. There's a variety of choices in there. You just have to put in the right hex number in here. Okay, but for this we are not going to put a border around it. There's a rounded corners option, so you can round the corners if you want. Sometimes you can have an oval shape, but for this example we're going to leave it alone. I'm going to remove that, and there we have it. Now let's go to the last box. It says setting. Now you can change the logo to be in the center. You can have it to the left or to the right, whichever way you want it to go. So for this example, we're going to leave it in the center. Now you can also increase the size so that it goes edge to edge. Now my logo is not that big, so it won't go edge to edge, but it'll show you a difference here. So what would have happened was that it would have gone all the way to the black trim here, okay? And this also does retina image support. So if you wanted a higher resolution, you could make it smaller, and then you could have a more crisp image, okay? But for now, we'll leave it in the center, and always remember to save at the bottom, okay? So the next part, on the example, I had an image right between the title and the logo. So first thing that we have to do is go to the blocks and drag my image box over here on the left-hand side, and there it opens automatically. So we're going to need to upload an image, and I'll go ahead and click upload, and I have an image already uploaded, so you'll have to put yours in there or upload it. And there is my picture of the house. I'll go ahead and insert it, and now you'll be able to see the difference that I was talking about with the image display size. You can make this smaller, see how the change in the size, or if you go to settings, I'll show you edge to edge. See how it goes all the way to the end of the newsletter there? So those are the options that you have, and I want to leave mine edge to edge on this one. So I'll go ahead and hit save, and so there we have the logo, and now I have a header image. Okay, so the next phase we're going to work on is this part right here.